Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start on clean skin, cleanse, then gently pat dry. Once done, apply a toner or lightweight hydrating layer if your routine uses one. This helps absorption. Take 1-2 drops of Dr. Ceuracle Kombucha Essence into your fingertips or palms and warm it for a few seconds. Press the product into cheeks, forehead, and chin using outward, upward motions. You want light tapping and pressing rather than rubbing. This conserves the essence and enhances penetration into the top skin layers. Once the first layer absorbs, decide if you need a second. If your skin feels tight or dry, add another 1-2 drops and press it in. Make sure to wait 60-90 seconds so the essence sets before applying serums. You should layer products by texture: watery essence, then lightweight serum, then creams or oils. If you use active actives like vitamin C or retinoids, schedule them at different times or nights to reduce irritation. This essence supports microbiome balance, so pairing thoughtfully improves tolerance. You finish by sealing in the essence with a moisturizer. In the morning, always follow with SPF. At night, follow with your regular cream or oil. Use the essence twice daily for consistent improvement, but patch test on the jawline before full use. If you experience redness, burning, or discomfort, stop immediately. Rinse with cool water and avoid other actives. If symptoms persist, patch test a small area and reintroduce every 3rd day, gradually increasing frequency to monitor tolerance and results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.